this is Kimberly. Today I'm gonna show you flip up cute style wig. Ooh. Look at this. The color is very nice. This is how it looks. The cute flip up style. And it has the the top style, so I recommend to person who doesn't have much hair on the top. Okay, let's start to take a look at the details. Ta-da! There is a 100% hand-tied lace line. It's not that soft, but it works very well. It looks like your skin scalp. And the texture is very light and very soft. It's very light. And there is soft, the forehead line. And adjustable band at the nape side. So you can adjust as you want. And it has open breathable cap. It's very stretchable. It's like a low maintenance wig, so it's easy to wear. And you can style way easier than other wig. Okay, it's time to wrap up. Thank you everyone for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.